Hi, Michael Forkus here from the Forkus Home Team. Have you been thinking about doing a renovation on your home? This is the perfect time to start planning. Despite what that groundhog claimed, the birds are chirping, the sun is shining, and now is the perfect time to start preparing. Before you consider hiring a general contractor, start putting your vision on paper. How big or small of a project? Updating a kitchen, bathroom, or thinking about a larger renovation? Once you have a vision, hire a draftsman or architect. Don't let a general contractor do the initial design. His or her vision will be completely different from yours, and the project and pricing will skyrocket. You got this. Act like a project manager. Start looking for materials such as kitchen cabinets, bathroom fixtures, flooring, countertops, tile early on so you can get a feel for cost. By doing this exercise first, you will help refine your project and overall design concept. I've done over 100 projects over the years, from small projects to fix and flips, large renovations, and building new homes from the ground up. So if you need some help and guidance, give me a call. If you decide that our remodel project is just not right for you, let's talk about selling and finding your dream home. You can reach me at forkushometeam.com or give me a call, 925-351-4924. I'm Michael Forkus. Have a great day.